with the grader. Why?
Yeah, because I want to get 300 gold.
Only 300 because you need to get 3,000.
No, 3,000 I mean.
Later today, truck driver extraordinary.
You have to not hit the walls. So hard.
Yeah, it's hard to go straight, isn't it? Very, very hard.
Because you have a rocket.
Cool. Isn't it?
Ah! Yeah, you gotta do it. On the 3 times! Now it's your turn.
Actually, what did I have to do?
Remember what I did?
Wait a second, I haven't even chosen a car.
Oh wait. No, I didn't put you on that. Yeah, this is fun. It's even there, Greta.
Yeah?
Kind of great suit.
You won the event, wow. You were the only challenger, that's pretty good.
Now it's both of our
You
turns.
came first out of 1.
Now you're going to do it too. Who can get more points? Who can get more points is the thing. Made it greater. Perfect.
Oh, great.
Yeah, it's gonna be so
Not
hard.
funny.
Yeah, I'm so greater. I'm so greater. And then I couldn't see.
That gun.
Look how good I'm
The
in.
Flying Academy.
It's so hot. Shoot. No, I can't do that. I can't do the last one. Woohoo! No, I got 2 times. I don't know, actually, I never got 3 times. Now it's your turn.
What do I do?
You have to
Do I
control.
press anything? No.
You press 2 only. You have to not hit the wall. So much.
Oh, really?
This was 200.
What?
Now you have to
No,
do
wait.
this part. One of the hardest.
Wow, did you see the spin?
You actually did it. I couldn't do it. Now you didn't land on the 2.
No.
You got 1 times. Ah! You got 2 times. Yeah. You got 2 times. I got 3 times.
Who won?
I won.
Not fair.
See, look, you got 2,000. I have 3,000.